Once upon a time in a not-so-distant future, a young man named Ethan found himself caught in the monotony of his everyday life. Like most people of his generation, he spent hours each day immersed in virtual reality, seeking an escape from the mundane reality that surrounded him. The virtual world had become his sanctuary, a place where he could be anyone he wanted and experience anything his heart desired. However, as time went on, Ethan began to feel an unsettling emptiness deep within him. He couldn't shake off the feeling that he was missing out on something important. It was as if his real self was slowly fading away, consumed by the digital illusions he surrounded himself with. One day, while exploring a new virtual reality game, Ethan stumbled upon a mysterious character. The character, called the Oracle, seemed to possess an extraordinary level of self-awareness and understanding. Intrigued, Ethan decided to seek out the Oracle's guidance. He embarked on a quest, venturing through challenging virtual landscapes and overcoming countless obstacles. Along the way, he encountered fellow seekers who, like him, were in the realm. They formed a tight-knit group, each member representing a different aspect of the human experience that they felt was slipping away. As they neared the final destination, the Oracle appeared before them, a figure bathed in radiant light. The Oracle explained that the virtual world was never meant to be a substitute for reality but rather a tool for exploration and self-discovery. Your awakening lies not in the pixels and codes of the virtual world, the Oracle said, but in embracing the richness of your own existence. Ethan and his companions were perplexed but also intrigued. The Oracle's words resonated within them, igniting a spark of curiosity about the real world they had long neglected. With newfound determination, they returned to their everyday lives, this time with a different perspective. Ethan reconnected with his family and friends, engaging in genuine conversations and cherishing every moment. He rediscovered the beauty of nature, feeling the warmth of the sun on his skin and the gentle touch of the wind. Ethan also found purpose in helping others, volunteering his time and skills to make a positive impact in his community. He realized that true fulfillment came from meaningful connections and contributing to the world around him. The virtual world, once an all-consuming obsession, became a tool for creativity and self-expression. Ethan used it to share his experiences, inspiring others to seek a balance between the digital and physical realms. As time passed, Ethan and his companions became ambassadors of change, spreading the message of the virtual awakening. They encouraged people to step away from the screens, to look up from their virtual lives and embrace the beauty and complexities of reality. And so, in a world once lost to the allure of the virtual, a new movement was born, a movement that reminded humanity of its true potential, urging them to awaken to the wonders that awaited outside the confines of a digital existence.